Welcome. I'm at 1308 Plaza de Sonadores, located in this beachside community of Montecito, California. Living here isn't just all about the amenities, it's about the lifestyle that is created from the surrounding community. After all, if you're living in the same neighborhood as Oprah and Ellen DeGeneres, you know you're doing something right. So first, I'm gonna show you a little around this place, then we'll take you to some of those beaches I was telling you about. Let's go check it out. Nicely updated throughout the home, this is a perfect beachside getaway or place to hang your hat and enjoy everything this community has to offer. This condo features 1 bedroom, 1 bath. We're listed at $1,350,000. Some of my favorite features of the home include this natural brushed oak wood floors. Then we have this wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling windows that let in all that natural light from the southern-facing patio. People love this Bonnie Mead community because of all the amenities that are offered here, including gated security so you can feel safe locking up and going off to your next adventure. You also have a beautiful pool with ocean views, hot tub, tennis courts, and a clubhouse. What more could you want? 2 minutes and 54 seconds. That's how long it took me to walk from this patio to the beach, toes in the sand. Let me show you the way. All right, here you have it. You got a beautiful coastline. What more could you want? We're just a short walk away from the condo here at one of my favorite beaches in town, Butterfly Beach. One unique fact about Santa Barbara is that because of the south-facing coast, you can actually get sunrise to sunset over the ocean all in the same day. Directly behind me is the Four Seasons Biltmore, set upon 22 lush acres with secluded courtyards, fountains, and red brick pathways lit by gas lanterns. These Spanish colonial villas and bungalows invoke the same casual glamour that first intrigued Hollywood's power players in the 1930s. Hope you've enjoyed all the beautiful places I've shown you here and why people find Santa Barbara as one of the best places to live in the world. I'm John Gilkison with American Dream TV.